Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a fun kind of fall themed craft. We're going to make little fall sort of inspired characters.
Yeah. Yep.
Still my part.
I was gonna say, I think we've got some pictures to share.
Before we get to our kits and what we're going to be using today, thank you as always to everyone who keeps sending in their pictures and videos of what they're making from the kits or what they're just making at home. They're always really fun to see. We enjoy seeing them. So if you want to share something with us, use the QR code that's right on the front of the kits each month, and we will feature it in one of our future videos.
In your kit, we've got 3 different pieces of felt. So just 3 squares. We've got a couple different leaves, fall leaves, and then we've got 2 wooden slices of wood, and then 4 googly eyes.
You are probably also going to want a pair of scissors and some type of glue. Glue stick will work fine, regular glue. We're going to use a hot glue gun today just because it's quicker.
All right. What can we do? We could be inspired by these graphics right there. What are you going, Mac?
I don't know.
I really like this owl.
I like the owl too, but I'll do a turkey.
I don't know if I can make an owl that good.
So as you might see on the front of your kit or on the thumbnail of this video, we're just going to use our supplies to make these fun kind of characters. You can choose whatever you'd like. You can also add different supplies to make something else if you don't have the colors you want or something like that. Which one do you think you're going to try?
I'll probably try the owl if you're going to do the turkey.
I will try the turkey. We'll see how it goes.
How do I do this? Let's just cut. Let's cut. Whoa, you're just going right in there. You're just going right in there, girl. Problem solve. Here. Ah! That's okay. That does not look like an owl at all. That was a great owl that did. Well, I got a bird. So here's our final characters here. We just had fun with the leaves and the felt. There's lots of felt there. And just kind of let your imagination go and just have all different designs and fun personalities to these little characters.
So these are ours. These are what we made, but we would love to see what you decide to make and how you make yours different. So after you're done with this, use that QR code on the front and share it with us.